Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see a recipe for restaurant style chicken curry. I thank Geetha for sharing this delicious recipe with us. Let's see the video now.
Hello friends, let's see the recipe for chicken gravy. For this I have taken 500 grams of chicken, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed Kasoori methi, 1 tablespoon of Garam masala, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, half a lemon, 8 to 10 cashew nuts, half a cup curd, half a cup milk, half a cup fresh cream, salt to taste, 50 grams of ginger, 50 grams of garlic, 3 to 4 onions, 1 bunch of coriander leaves, 6 to 7 green chilies. Now let's grind all these and make a paste. Now let's add the ingredients one by one. Add little milk and make cashew nut paste. And leave the marination for half an hour. Now let's remove all the chicken from the marination. Take a pan, add oil, let's fry the chicken pieces one by one. Now the chicken has fried. Remove it and keep aside. Add same oil which we fried the chickens to this. Now add the masala to the oil. Fry this masala till the oil separates. Now add the chicken pieces, fried chicken pieces. To this add half a cup of water. Mix it. Close the lid. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now take a small bowl, place it inside the gravy. Put the burnt charcoal and put little ghee into it and close the lid. And now switch off the flame. Now the chicken gravy is ready. Try this recipe, it's tasty, and post your comments to Shreya's cooking channel. Take care, stay safe, thank you.
Thank you so much, Geetha, for sharing this wonderful recipe with us. Hope you all like this recipe. Please try and post your comments. And also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.